Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Two Toys channel. Exciting. This is really exciting. I've been really looking forward to INNO's Pandem S13. When I saw the photos, I'm like, oh man, this is gonna be freaking crazy. So I finally got them in my hands, slightly later than others, but still it doesn't matter. I have it now with me, and this is something that I was really looking forward to share with you guys. So this is a new casting from INNO. Okay, so it's really very nice to see the INNOs are actually coming out with really very exciting cars. And yeah, don't want to spend too much time talking about that. Let's just go straight and look at the cars. So immediately they released two versions of the Rocket Bunny S13, the version 1 in blue and the version 2 in matte black. Yes, in freaking matte black way. It's freaking crazy. Alright, so the light blue version 1 underneath is the same. It's a Nissan licensed product. I assume that this is also a licensed Pandem product. Okay, I assume that as well. And then yeah, so this one is again the same details underneath. The packaging wise is as usual. It comes with a plastic wrapper. Love how low it sits, these two cars. I really like that this baby blue shade with the on the chrome wheels and the matte black on the white lip rims. That is freaking crazy, man. Okay, you know what, okay, so I yeah, basically it's quite straightforward. Packaging it's the same, we've all seen it already. So I did a little bit of a shortcut. I've actually got them out of the base. Okay, so this is, yeah, them already out of the base. All right, so I'm just gonna put that aside here, because I wanted to show you guys the base of this thing, because I think it's a very nice finishing. You can see it's honeycomb. Yes, it has the honeycomb feel to it. So it's not just printed on. This one, I'm not sure how it's being manufactured, but this is actually very nice. Okay, so this is version 1, again S13 version 1. All right, and then we have the this one is the version 2. Okay, it's in that very same honeycomb design as well. All right, yeah, this is how I keep my cars. I've actually gotten them out because I do have a very nice display set in a cube. All right, hence I get it out and I put it on my Pandem HQ diorama, which is in cube. So if you follow any of my Instagrams, right, either one, the Virtu Toys or even Cube, you will be able to see this is already sitting in the diorama. All right, so check that out. The accuracy of this thing is freaking crazy, man. It is freaking crazy. So rather than just stick on signal kind of thing, even though you see this is deeper inside, and this one is flushed out, I don't freaking mind, man. I don't freaking mind the fact that they actually made this in 1:64 scale. I am happy at that. I'll just leave it at that, man. Okay, so it sits really very low. There's some slight cambering going on. I don't know if that's meant to be or what. The wheels here looks like it has a little bit of issue. I don't freaking mind it. I don't mind. You can just adjust it anyway. I don't mind that. So this wheel is, yeah, you can see it's slightly negative camber. It's alright. It's alright. We can always adjust it somehow. We can just take it out and just make some adjustments to it. I don't freaking mind, man. I don't freaking mind. Oh, the shape of this thing. The side mirrors are really cool as well. It's so small and detailed. It's so fine. It doesn't feel fragile though, even though it's in that size. The intercooler underneath. the NITO branding on the wheel walls. Oh, okay. On the inside, there's a bucket seat with the 6-point harness seat belts. Okay, it has 2 bucket seats, but safety the safety belt seems to be only on the driver's side. Okay, there's a bit of a scaffolding inside. Okay, cool, very cool. So underneath, there's a little slight detailing underneath. The mufflers are in silver. That's nice. Okay, so that's the version 1. Oh, so nice. All right, next, the version 2. Now this is the one where check that out, guys. I really like that matte black finishing on this one. So quick look interior wise, it does look very similar. It does have a little bit more detailing on the black one. It says something in there on the passenger side. Yep, there it says something. I can't tell what it is. Can we zoom in it there? Yep. Can you tell what it is? Yeah, I'm not able to. Okay, that's one. And then just check that out, man. I love how low this thing sits. How the wheels hugs the fender, you know, like don't let me go. So version 2 doesn't have that the back bumper. Okay, you can check out that sexy ass. Alright, so it doesn't look like it's a modified, you know, from the same mold. It definitely looks like it's from 2 very different molds. So version 2 has that diffuser underneath. You see the exhaust is all different as well. So I think it's very safe to say this one is a very different mold actually. See how slightly wider the back is compared to version 1, and it's actually pretty cool with all these details. Pretty damn cool. This is really damn sick, man. It's freaking sick. Oh, look at all the prints and the advertisement at the back. They're all printed so sharp and neat and crisp. Rocket bunny at the back. Oh, that exhaust, that tow hook. So it's still, that tow hook is still a stick on. Yep, it's still a stick on. It doesn't matter. Still look damn freaking good. Yes, the side mirrors, that's really very nice. Up front, yes, the front bumpers are different as well from the version 1. Oh, yep. Oh, you can see all the little details, the differences between the two. It definitely looks different, but it feels freaking same, just freaking insane, man. Yes, there's another tow hook up in front in there. So this version 2 definitely have a little bit more details than the version 1. But I just did not notice this. This is freaking mad, way. This is freaking mad. I think it's a plastic piece that's attached on. I don't think this is part of the metal mold. It definitely looks a little bit different. But yeah, you see the rivet, right? It's missing, so you can't. Yeah, this is probably snapped on or glued on. I think it's glued on because the crazy part is I don't really see where the freaking joint point is. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm looking for where it joins. This is freaking crazy, man. This is freaking crazy. This is freaking nuts. Okay, so as usual, we will definitely need to do one and only one test that really, you know, matters the most. So that's version 1. No, it doesn't roll at all. Yep, can you see it? Yep, it's just a lump of rubber. Okay, what about the black? Yep, it's completely stuck. That's why, you know, it both looks so damn freaking good. So good, so good. Cool. Okay, that's about it for this round of my showcase. Right. So as usual, I will be taking close-up photos of these two bad boys and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj, and remember to hit the subscribe button and also the bell. All right, so you don't miss on any of my awesome diecast videos. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.